Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies notification from the three different colleges from the three different states. Let us see the notification regarding these three colleges.
So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys.
Soon the Unacademy plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan, guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is the Ain-Shah College, Polytechnic College. Okay. And here the mobile number is also given. Okay, you may note down, and the phone number is 02566241305. The walk-in interview is there. So applications are invited from eligible and interested and the eligible candidates for the following post. So the lecturer vacancies from the civil, computer, electrical, mechanical, ENTC, and a few non-technical posts are also there. Okay, non-teaching posts are also there, that you may check down. So eligibility and the pay scale as per the AICTE, and the interview is on 2nd Feb 2021, morning 10:30 to afternoon 3 o'clock. And all the interested candidates may attend the interview along the original document and two sets along with two colored passport size photographs. And the candidates having the teaching experience in polytechnic institutions will be given preference. Fine. So if you are having any queries regarding this walk-in interview, then you may contact this number, guys. And here the mobile number and the mail ID is also provided. And coming to the next one is the Arts and Commerce College from Maharashtra. Okay, so you can check down in the official website itself. So applications are invited for a permanent non-grant college on CHB basis as under. So here the subjects are English, Marathi, Political Science, Sociology, History, Home Economics, and the Commerce. Here as per the caste category wise, the vacancies are mentioned here. Fine. So eligibility, academic qualifications shall be as per the UGC regulations. Okay, call for the post of assistant professor. And here you have to apply within the 10 days from the date of advertisement. So actually this advertisement I got from the facultyplus.com. It is dated on 30th Jan 2021. That means up to Feb 9th the time is there. Okay, so here the way of applying for this one is mentioned as a postal. But anyhow, you please once go to the official website of this one and get down the contact number. Okay, and then contact them. And the third college is a JNN Institute of Engineering from Tamil Nadu. So here you may check down the different programs are there here. The agriculture and the artificial intelligence, biomedical, robotics, automation, computer science, engineering, electronics and communication. Fine. So mechanical engineering and management studies. Okay. So these are the different departments, guys. And if you belongs to any one of these department with PG or PG plus UGC NET or PhD, then you may apply here. Okay, jnn.edu.in. Okay, from this website you may apply here. So your name, email ID, subject, and your message, and upload your resume, and then click on the send, guys. And based upon your resume, they are going to make the scrutiny. Fine. So total these are the three different types of colleges from the three different states, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. so that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.